So how did, exploring sexual identity, did that clash with being Jewish?
Oh, it was so much like a part of being Jewish, and that so much of coming out as a lesbian, and that happened when I actually ended up moving up to this area. So I moved to Northampton to go to graduate school at UMass. Well, after college, I moved back to New York City. Having grown up in the Bronx, it was always my ambition to live in Manhattan, so I needed to do that. So I lived in the Village and in Soho for a couple of years and was working and stuff. Anyway, but so I came out in Northampton, which is like such a fantastic place. I mean, it still is, but at the time too, it was like, the happening place. And many of my friends were Jewish, and so there were, the Jewish lesbian, like that was my identity, Jewish lesbian, and I was so lucky to be here and to have, that opportunity to be in that kind of community, and that also, intersected with when I first was able to study Yiddish, which was something that had interested me for a long time. So, and a lot of the people I became connected in the sort of Yiddish community here was also a progressive and lesbian community for me. So they were all intertwined.